Okay, y'all, so tonight for dinner I made chicken chili. This is all the ingredients you will need. If you want, you can go back and pause it. I already chopped everything up. My onions, my chicken tenders, my garlic and green bell peppers. So I'm just seasoning with onion powder, garlic powder, some Cajun seasoning, and yeah, Cajun seasoning. Dress it up, make it real. Garlic powder, a little razzle dazzle. Mix it up. Okay, so again, these are the seasonings that I used. I've mixed my chicken up, so now you're gonna get your pot, get some oil. I put olive oil, put the chicken in there. Go ahead and cook that up. Add your onions and your bell peppers. I added my garlic too after the thing cooked down a little bit. You can use chicken broth or chicken stock. I really don't have any measurements. I just waited for my ancestors to tell me when to stop. Get you a chili seasoning pack. They're like $1. Throw that in there. I added a chicken bouillon cube. I couldn't really break it up, so I just threw the whole thing in there. Okay. Boop, throw it in there. I got some dark red kidney beans. Poured all that in there. Only used 1 can. You want to pour juice in there to get all that good flavor. I didn't want to use chili beans. So then you're going to mix everything up. Diced tomatoes, 4 chili. Add that in there. You're going to mix that up too. So everything can start to come together. I added some whole corn. That's optional. It's up to you. That's just how I do it. So you're just gonna mix everything up. You're gonna cover it and simmer it for about 20-25 minutes. That's what I did. You do it however you want. If you want some thick ass chili, this is my cornbread stuff. Y'all should read the box. Already know this is how much sugar you add. Don't add all that damn sugar. Boom. Kool-Aid. That's what you do. Keep pouring it. That's all you do right there. Boom. Cornbread done. I chopped some honey with it. Spread it on. Now, time to plate. Get you some cheese. Sprinkle that cheese motherfucker on there. Okay. Sprinkle. A little sour cream. Cornbread.